Do you remember the story of Yusuf alayhi salam? And do you remember when the lady seduced him within a closed room and she secured the doors and she plainly invited Yusuf alayhi salam to commit zina with her? قالت هيت لك. What did Yusuf do? 3 things. Number 1, قال معاذ الله. The first thing, run to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't wait for a second. The minute you wait, it's over. The second, he ran to the opposite direction. Wallahi, I was wondering while reading Surah Yusuf, like, where were you running to, Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam? Where were you running to? I don't care. If the sin is about to be committed here, I have to be in the other direction. But he didn't just run to the opposite direction. The third step is he ran with all his power and might to a point that she held him from his shirt. And what happened to the shirt? It was ripped off. And that doesn't happen unless the man was running for his life. So as soon as you feel that you are about to commit the haram, run away.